Hello everyone. Many of my colleagues, my subscribers or the investors which I know has been really bothered like what he should do in the market. Market is not going anywhere. His stock portfolio is not going anywhere. And people are telling that the market is all-time high. The US market is continuously hitting all-time high. All the main stocks of the US market or other few markets are also hitting all-time high. So we are confused what to do. What should I do? So let me again clarify you. I have been warning it for a very long time, since months now, that if you ask me, remain in cash. Don't sell off your portfolio. Sell off unwanted stocks, unwanted kachra stocks who are not profitable. But then your own stock portfolio, you must have seen that the overall portfolio P has also gone up. Means the earnings of your businesses are very less. That your price is high and your earnings is not catching up with your stock price, which means that your portfolio is overcooked, or at least the stocks which are having higher PE indicates probably that your earnings are very less. The company is not creating much profits to catch up with its price, and people have over anticipated that the stocks will go high because the company earnings will be higher going forward, which didn't happen because of these global economical or geopolitical things, or maybe other raw material prices or something. But then the prices didn't go up, the profits didn't happen, so the prices also didn't go up. So the P is so much overcooked. So in such a position, if you have such stocks, try to trim some of them. Have some liquid cash in the form of bonds, in the form of short-term bond funds, liquid funds, silver ETFs. But then silver, you need to see at what price you are entering. So all these things, you must be having some liquid cash to invest once you get a crash. I was anticipating a probable recession and crash in September, which didn't happen. I should apologize. But then wait till February. Probably if you get a sensible correction, it's an opportunity to invest. But then my simple answer is that have some liquid cash, sizable amount of it, 15 to 20%, wherein you get an opportunity to invest. And this probably would be the last opportunity in next 2-3 years, wherein the rally cannot be then cashed up. So have some cash, use your brain, stay knowledgeable, don't go with the tips, and stay invested in quality businesses. These stocks are not just stocks, these are quality businesses generating good profits. So if they are not generating enough profits because of some reasons which is not justifiable to you, don't hesitate to sell the stock. But then cash, again I'm telling you, have some liquid cash with you in the form of bonds, silver ETF or other liquid assets, wherein the opportunity is not missed. Stay invested, happy investing.